Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Cheri. Today, we are going to do something super practical and fun. We are going to the hair salon. Are you ready to learn some useful English words and phrases for getting a haircut? Let's go! First, let's learn how to make an appointment. You can call the salon or book online. When you call, you can say, "Hello, I'd like to make an appointment for a haircut, please." They might ask, "When would you like to come in?" You can respond by asking if they have an opening at a time that works for you. So you could say something like, "Do you have any availability on Saturday morning? Or is 3 p.m. on Friday possible?" It's that simple. Now we've arrived at the salon. The person at the front desk is called a receptionist. They will greet you with, "Hello, welcome. Do you have an appointment?" You can say, "Yes, I have an appointment at 3 p.m. under the name Cheri." Then you might have to wait a little bit. "Yes, I have an appointment at 3 p.m. under the name Cheri." "Wonderful, Cheri. Let me just pull that up." Soon, your hairstylist will call your name. The hairstylist is the person who will cut your hair. They can also be called a hairdresser. "Cheri, I'm ready for you now." "Great, I'm so excited." They will lead you to a chair and put a cape around you to keep your clothes clean. The first thing they will probably ask is, "So, what are we doing for you today?" This is your chance to explain what you want. Now, let's learn some key vocabulary. If you only want a little bit of hair cut off, you can ask for a trim. Or maybe you want a big change. You could say, "I want to cut it short." If you have a picture of the haircut you want, this is the perfect time to show it. You can say, "I'd like my hair to look like this picture." This is very helpful for the stylist. Maybe you want to add some layers. Layers can give your hair more volume and movement. You can say, "Could you add some long layers, please?" Or perhaps you want bangs? Bangs are the hair that falls over your forehead. You could say, "I'd like to get bangs." After you decide on the style, the hairstylist will probably wash your hair. They will take you to a special sink. They might ask, "Is the water temperature okay?" You can say, "Yes, it's perfect," or "Could you make it a little warmer, please?" or "A little cooler, please." "Is the water temperature okay?" "It's perfect, thank you." They will use shampoo to clean your hair and conditioner to make it soft. Then it's time for the cut. The hairstylist will use scissors and a comb. Try to sit still, or else your haircut might turn out uneven. It's okay to chat with your hairstylist. They are often very friendly. They might ask you about your day or your weekend plans. This is great practice for your English conversation skills. Definitely. "How's your day going?" "Great, thank you. How about you?" "It's going well. You're my last client of the day. Do you have any plans this weekend?" "I sure do. I'm going to the beach." After the cut, they will dry your hair with a hairdryer. This is called a blow dry. They might ask, "How would you like me to style it?" You can say, "Just a simple blow dry is fine," or "Could you make it straight?" or "Could you add some waves?" They might use a brush, a straightener, or a curling iron to style your hair. When they are all finished, they will show you the back of your hair with a mirror. They'll ask, "How does that look?" How does that look? If you love it, you can say, "It looks great. Thank you so much. I'm so happy you love it." If you want a small change, don't be afraid to say so. You can say, "Could you just trim this little piece a bit shorter?" Finally, it's time to pay. You will go back to the receptionist and they will tell you the total cost. You can pay with cash or a credit card. And in many countries, it's common to give the hairstylist a tip. A tip is a small amount of extra money to say thank you for their good service. "Hello, your total today is $85. "Great, I'll pay by card." "Perfect. You can use the terminal here." "Thank you. Have a wonderful day." "You too." And that's it. You've successfully gotten a haircut in English. Let's do a quick review. Appointment, hairstylist, trim, layers, bangs, wash, blow dry, and tip. You did an amazing job today. Now you have the confidence to go to a salon and get the hairstyle you've always wanted. Thanks for watching English with Cheri. I hope this lesson was helpful, and don't forget to practice these phrases. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real-life English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye!